Hey, Bass Hunter family. It's Mr. Hunna, our new addition. We had him for a couple of months. He crazy.
He is trying to hit my finger.
Oh my God.
He is trying to hit my finger.
Get him, Hunna. Get him. He is so pretty. He was small when we first got him, so he done gained some weight.
Man, he got big. He up to 4 dozen of minnows now.
It take him about 2 weeks to eat all of that. 2-3 weeks.
Not even. It took 1 week to knock them three dozen off that day.
Yeah, but you got shiners and minnows in there this time. It's a lot too. He getting so big, so pretty. Mr. Hunna.